So here's a quick review on this device that has been sent to me by Carpuride, but I'm free to say whatever I want. I never accept money to get words put in my mouth. So yeah, first I was thinking about changing the radio of my car because recently I had a car for 2 weeks with Apple CarPlay, and my old Jetta have a very old radio, well, at the back that you can't see. And this guy does have Apple CarPlay. It's very easy to install, and actually, well, I think it's quite clean. It would be better if it was a radio change, but I did not have any modification to do, and it was very easy to install, and actually I think this is acceptable. What I have over here is that connector. Yep, that is and the cigarette connector. And so there's two cable over here. That's the one I pick. This one is the alimentation for the Carpuride device, and there is two USB connector on top, and I connect this induction table on the USB connection. So now I can take my phone, just put it right over here, and it will charge like in new car, not like my 2011 Jetta. And it don't need to be there, but it's just a plus. And when I power on the car, we've got that screen for a few seconds. Then we have access to the menu of the Carpuride. And a few seconds later, boom, I'm right there in my phone. Actually, it's not charging because I probably did move a bit. But here, as you can see, I can follow the charge of the phone. I have access to all my application. I'm quite surprised at how well it does respond. I wasn't expecting much from this device, but actually I think I will keep it. It will just stay there, and I will not replace my radio. You see how quick it answers? That's something I wasn't expecting. Of course, it's not like on your phone, but it answers very well. You can access the settings, you can access everything. But basically, all I wanted was Google Map, and it's right there. And I wanted, well, Spotify. It's also right there. And it's just working. You can do search, you can go in libraries, you can access to, well, your podcast, you can access to the home with your playlist, the music you listen recently, and all those kind of things. You can have access to that page where you have your map and your music just right there. It's very, very well done. And actually, this device was made to be installed on top of the dash. This means right there, but this isn't something that I wanted because it blocked the view. So what I made is that I did modify the bracket. As you can see, I did cut through the plastic to insert it into my CD player. They do have a CD player that you can, a CD player bracket. They also have a fan bracket, but I'm not sure it's as good as what I did because it gave me the impression that the Carpuride device would be further away and maybe more bumpy. And actually, what I did, actually, you can see it's pretty solid. So yeah, I like that. You know, I only have one cable passing through here for the DC, and the audio. The audio goes through this little cable right over there and goes into the auxiliary right here. You can also connect it with Bluetooth, but with my car that would be less practical. I would need to select Bluetooth every time I start the car, and now with that, it's just always on auxiliary, and the music starts just right away. So yeah, I think I will keep it. I wasn't expected to do it, but yeah, I think it will just remain right there. There's only two things that could be improved on the device. Well, the first one is pretty obvious, as you can see. Hey, I'm here. There's a lot of reflection on the screen. It would be better if they had put a matte screen on that. And the other thing is that actually, well, as you can see, it's pretty cloudy outside, so that's fine. But when it's very bright, well, the screen does look dim. There could have more brightness onto it. Actually, I'm on maximum brightness. I can go here on car home, and there is settings, and well, it's somewhere into that. I did see that feature somewhere, but yeah, it's right there. See, maximum, so you can dim it or put it to the max, but the max is not strong enough in my opinion. But whatever, it's so much better than what I had with the original radio of my car. So now it's just something in front of it. I didn't had to modify anything, and it works super fine. So yeah, I like it. I only use it for a week or two, but yet I do recommend it.